Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and let's be honest, I think at this point everyone knows all the words, and at least the chorus to Seven Rings. Now, I was going to make this a long time ago, right when the song was coming out and it's popular, but the good thing is the song is still so popular. It's still on the Billboard Top 100. So today we are going to be making some 7-ring inspired treats. They're going to be yogurt parfaits, one of my favorite things. The ingredients for this recipe are vanilla yogurt, fresh strawberries, graham crackers, a few tablespoons of strawberry jam. The first thing we're going to do is prepare our strawberries. We're going to layer them in our parfait and also mix them in our yogurt. I'm going to cut all of these into thin strips. Hey, look at that, there's 7 of them. That wasn't planned. Now, for the ones that we're going to add into our yogurt, I'm going to cut those up into smaller pieces. Just dice them and place them back into your bowl. Now, we've made so many Ariana Grande treats on this channel, and I'll put all of them in the description below if you like this video and you want to see more Ariana Grande. And they also might be popping up over here throughout the video. Next, we're going to create our yogurt, and this is a very common thing to kind of elevate vanilla yogurt. I mean, you could just use strawberry yogurt from the start, but with this, you know exactly what you're adding, and you can add even more flavors, less flavors, and get it to a taste that you like. What I'm going to do is add in our diced strawberries and a little bit of strawberry jam. Now, this is strawberry champagne jam. Be fancy. We've mixed together all of our ingredients into our yogurt, and this next step is totally optional. I'm just going to add a few drops of pink food coloring, kind of to give it like this color or this color of pink. Before we can assemble these parfaits, we're going to work on the last kind of layer that we're going to add to this, the graham crackers. Now, this is probably the most fun part. We're going to take our graham crackers and put them in the bag and then just crush them up. It's like graham cracker therapy. Some people are into like retail therapy, graham cracker therapy. All of our components for our yogurt parfaits are made, and now we can start to assemble the parfait itself. Now, over here I have 3 glasses. These are so really like 3 rings. And I'm going to fill them starting with yogurt, graham crackers, strawberries, and then repeat this pattern until the top. Our parfaits are assembled and they look amazing. There's just one more thing I want to add, and that's going to be a topper. Now, I went ahead and made these rings as the topper. They're just candy melts. And I made this by piping candy melts onto a template. I used yellow and pink and then covered it in some luster dust as well. Now I'm just going to add these on top of each parfait. And here we have them, our 7 rings inspired yogurt parfaits that we made today. We took a vanilla yogurt and then elevated it, adding fresh strawberries and strawberry champagne jam. Then added in some fresh strawberries as a layer, graham crackers, and that's where you can kind of add anything you'd like to your yogurt. Then I topped mine with some cute rings to fit the theme, and the possibilities are endless. And this is a great treat for breakfast, snack, late night snack, lunch, whenever. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes 7 rings, and I know there's a lot of people, Ariana Grande, or anything you saw in this video. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video where we did a blindfolded cake decorating challenge. And down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Sunday.